In this part, we're going to animate the snow in the snow globe. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to File, Save As, and change the file name, period, last name, and then Animated Snow Globe. That way you don't mess up the original file. I'm going to use my crop tool to simply crop out some of that extra space that wasn't used, like so. Then I'm going to need my timeline panel. And when you first open the timeline panel, you have this option here of creating a video timeline or a frame animation. Go ahead and choose frame animation and then click on it. And basically what it does is it gives you a little thumbnail of what layers are currently visible. So that is the first frame. Okay. This is my snow layer right here. I am going to right click and duplicate this layer. We want a total of 4 of them. You can also drag it to the new layer icon. Either one is fine. So snow, copy 2 and 3. Okay. So on this first frame, I want only my original snow layer there. Then I'm going to create a new frame. And in this new frame, I'm going to hide the original, show the second one. Now, initially they're the same, so we have to make a change. What we need to do to this second one is go to the Edit menu, Transform, and we need to rotate it. This one we're going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, so it's just going to turn a different direction. We're going to add a third frame, and we're going to hide this one, show Snow Copy 2. This one, since the last one was 90 degrees, this one is going to be 180. Add one more frame, hide this one, show this one. This is the last one. And this time we're going to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we've gone basically a full circle here. So 90 degrees. Now, what we have to do is we have to set up the time for this. And I'm going to make this smaller real quick just so that I can the timing set on here. So right now this says it's 0 seconds. I want it to be 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. And actually I think if I had set that at the beginning, I think that they would all be that afterwards. So just something to keep in mind. Then here where it says once, we want it to loop forever so that it plays continuously. And then I'm going to go ahead and make this full screen again. And I'm going to zoom in. And if I hit the play button, I should see what looks like snow moving. That snow may be moving a little fast, actually. So if yours is moving too fast, let's try 0.2. That might have a better look to it. It might be a little slower. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's better for a snow globe. So I'm going to leave it at 0.2 here. Okay. Then, obviously, we already saved it with a different file name. We're going to save one more time. And then we're going to do a file export and choose Save for Web. And it probably detects it already that it is an animated GIF, but here is the drop down in case it's not. Make sure that's the one that you choose. Here is the play button so that you can check to see that it's playing. And then hit save. And you should save yours in your OneDrive. And then to check it, you'll need Chrome or another browser and simply drag it in, and you should see your snow flying around. And then